All right, people, today it's soup season still. So we're gonna do one of my favorite, this is top 3 for me, clam chowder. We're gonna do it a little different today, of course. This is called fried clam chowder. Now, I just went viral doing the fried chicken pot pie soup, fire. I did the fried broccoli and cheddar soup, fire. Now we're gonna do the fried clam chowder. So now, when I do soups that require potatoes, I part cook them. So we're gonna cook our potatoes. It's gonna take about 10 minutes. So while this cooks, let's get to the base of the soup. All right, so we're gonna get to the base of the soup. And if you like what you see, you like the content that I'm providing for you, remember, like, comment, and subscribe. So we're gonna add our butter. Everything I do requires butter. So now we're gonna add our veggies. This 2 cups of celery, diced celery, and we're gonna do a cup of onion. We're gonna sweat those down. And once we do that, we're gonna add our seasoning and our flour. All right, now that our veggies are done, we're gonna add half a cup of flour. We're gonna add a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. We got a tablespoon of garlic powder, onion powder, and thyme. Just a small pinch of rosemary. Add in there. Now, we're gonna add 3.5 cups of half and half. Now, we're gonna add a nice hefty spoonful of this clam base to some water. I'm gonna stir that up. And we're gonna add this as well. The clam base just makes it extra clammy, if that makes sense. Then we're gonna add 2 cups of our clams, our baby clams. And we're gonna cook this down. We're gonna let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. And by that time, we'll be ready to add our potatoes. All right, our potatoes are part cooked. So we're gonna throw those in there. Then we're gonna let it simmer some more for about 5 to 7 minutes. And then we'll be ready. Should it already look good? All right, now it's time to fry our clams. We have some baby clams right here. We're gonna do the same technique that I showed you in the last video. Put that in our wet. Mix it around. Now the best way to do this is to get a spider because the clams are so small, so you can dump them. And let's mix these up. Make sure you separate them. You don't want them all clumped up together. All right. Let's get these clams out of here on the spider. Remember to break them up. Shake off some of that excess batter in the fryer. Make sure we got all of these clams and let's drop them. Look at that. Look at those beautiful clams. Oh my God. All right. We're ready to plate. Look at that. Now let's add our clams. Just gonna do a straight line. Oh my God.
And we're back.
First of all, I have to say that my wife doesn't really fuck with soups. So I want her to tell y'all the story, like why certain dishes just has traumatized her from her childhood. And she used to eat clam chowder every day when she went to Poly High. And it seems like foods that she ate a lot of, she just doesn't like anymore.
I don't like it. A lot of stuff I don't like, I like yours.
Yeah, but I feel like if a person likes some shit, they'll request it. My soups are thick though, they're like dips.
I don't like hot. It's hot. It's summertime. Holla at me in January. But anyways, this got fried clams on top. So it's a win-win situation. I don't feel like I'm eating soup.
If she don't say this shit is fire, I'm not saying my nigga enjoy it.
He want to get a reaction out of me when I just told him to put me some clams to the side.
I don't know if you ever had fried clams. I don't know if you've ever had fried clam chowder. I feel like I'm the only one that's done this. But if you have, please comment in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga, enjoy.